Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload images in WordPress or add an image in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. And this is the interface you're going to see in the homepage. This is my WordPress homepage. So in the WordPress homepage, you can see the quick links option over here. Below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option. It will take you directly to the editors page of WordPress. Once you have reached the editors page of WordPress, you can see all of your posts over here. Just simply here on the left hand side, you can see a plus icon which says block inserter. Click on the block inserter and search for image. As you can see over here, this is the image icon. Simply click on the image icon or drag it to your post, and here you can see the option which says upload. You can directly upload any photo from your desktop or PC from this icon. As you can see, suppose I'm going to select this one and click open, and it will be uploaded here. It might take few seconds to get the real color and everything, but as you can see over here, it is being uploaded. You can also resize it like this. If you want it to be smaller or bigger or any shape, you can resize it. After you are done resizing it and actually fitting it according to your needs, make sure that you click on the save button over here and your actions will be saved. And that is how you upload images in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.